Hello everybody, welcome to Oh Great, Look What Came Today, Home Improvement Edition. Today I received these corner braces from Lowe's, and I ordered these because I've got some kitchen drawer repairs that need to be done. I've got lots of kitchen drawers and they break very easily because I've got a couple little monsters at home that like to pull on the drawers, and they pulled the front panels right off of this particle board material here. There it is in the corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty this drawer out and take it outside and try to fix it. Thank you for coming outside with me. Here's the drawer that we'll be working on. I've got a kitchen full of these. I've repaired them with varying degrees of success. The cleanest way to fix one of these drawers is to just remove this piece of wood right here, which is easy to do. You just two screws, take them out, and this brown wood will just pop right off of the white particle board in here, and you can just replace it with a similarly sized piece of wood, and that's probably the easiest thing to do, but I just don't have this kind of wood sitting around the house. So instead today we're going to use these corner brackets made by Everbilt, it looks like, picked up from Lowe's. There's 20 of them in here, and I'm going to remove this duct tape, which did not work, and instead put a couple of brackets in there. So the only other material I need are some wood screws, also made by Everbilt and also from Lowe's, and my Craftsman drill, which is a good drill. I recently got this after years of using an IKEA cordless drill, which was very weak, and I had problems just doing the most basic tasks. But this is a corded drill. So I'm going to pause for a second and show you how this gets done. There we go, there's one bracket in. We're going to do another one. And there we go. It looks like this drawer should hold. It seems very solid. I'm not going to put any brackets in the opposite corner since that one isn't falling apart yet. So, you know, my youngest kid's 3 years old now, so I'm hoping her days of pulling on the drawer are over, but you never know. So I will keep these brackets around, and you know, you might be thinking to yourself, geez, drawer repair, that's pretty serious business. You know, I'm not a carpenter, not a handyman. Well, guess what, neither am I, and I was able to do this job, so I think you can too. Good luck out there. Thanks for watching.